Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly again with Inbound Revenue. We're a Google Ads agency. We help agencies with white label Google Ads, and we help direct businesses. This is another in our local competition series. We're going to look at Atlanta. We're going to look at the landscaping niche and the advertising blend for the Atlanta market. So you can see these are the keywords that we use: landscaper near me, landscaping near me, landscape designer, landscaping company. We run these for 24 hours all the time. This shows how many advertisers there were during each hour. And the competition here is super low in Atlanta. So if you're a landscaper in Atlanta, I'd definitely look into this. You can see that we have, as usual, 3 advertisers that are pretty competitive, a few more that are somewhat competitive, and then slowly winds down the number of ads they're running. So let's look at the top advertisers in this region. Top advertiser is Home Advisor, Thumbtack. I'm going to skip them and go right to Ed Castro. He's not run, this is a wide open market. I would stress that again. So let's look at the ads here. ECL Atlanta, it's a hardscape installation, landscape design. They're running a few ads. Let's take a look at their website or landing page. Yeah, it goes right to their website, not to a landing page as such. Decent, not great. Let's look at the number 4 advertiser. Reliant Landscaping. Let's look at their ads. Affordable pricing. No real offers. They do have plenty of extensions and things in here. Few ads. Let's look at their landing page. It's going to take you right to their home page. Premium Gainesville Landscape Design. That's decent. Landscape design here. Yeah, it tells you what you do. That's a decent landing page. I would say the lesson I would take away from the Atlanta landscaping review that we just did is this market's wide open. If you're a landscaper, hardscaper, anything like that, and you want more business, Google Ads is the place to be. Naturally, we can help you out with that at Inbound Revenue. I ask you just reach out to us at inboundrevenue.com. Comment on the video below. Once again, I'm Mark Kelly. Have a great day.